So there's one more research source for hospitality and tourism that I forgot to show you from the Marks Library's main web page. If you go down under Library Resources and click on Databases and eReference, on the right hand side we'll scroll down to Hospitality and Tourism and click on that link. We subscribe to this Gale Hospitality, Tourism, and Leisure collection, and if we click on that, we can search across multiple resources by just searching in this search box. So let's do our search again. Quality perceptions, or perception of quality. So this drop down box of subject terms and keyword terms is just giving us some alternate keywords that you probably want to make a little note of in your research log. Let's click on the search button. Quality perceptions. We're going to have to add something because it's just giving me general quality perceptions. And hotels. And so go ahead and play again with these search terms. Let's see. Let's do tourism. No, I don't want to do tourism. Let's do hotel guests. So right away we get this one that's in the Journal of Hospitality and Tourism Management on service experience through the eyes of budget hotel guests, which begs the question, are you asking these questions about budget hotels or about luxury hotels? And also, are you looking at service quality and customer satisfaction in the US or in Europe, Asia? What is the deal? So look through these and you will probably find something, although as I said before, you're probably not going to find data acquired in the 1800s on hotel guest perceptions of quality. But you may be able to find a paper discussing that topic.